Hi, I'm David Carnoy, Executive Editor for CNET.com, and I'm here with the Brookstone HDMI Pocket Projector. This projector is considered a pico projector. It weighs in at about half a pound. It has a nice compact form factor and is obviously very portable. You do have to plug it in at least to charge it up, and you can leave it plugged in when you're showing video on it. It gives you about 2 hours of battery life. In our test, it did hit that number, but it does not have any sort of battery indicator that tells you that it's about to go off. This is called the HDMI Pocket Projector for a reason, because it does have an HDMI port in the back. There are also a couple adapters for it. However, if you have an Apple device, you will need a $40 adapter to make that work with it. And this won't work with all smartphones necessarily. It does have two built-in speakers, 1-watt speakers. They do provide some sound, not great sound, pretty tinny, but there's enough sound to hear a movie. You can also plug in an external speaker to this device, or perhaps you want to listen with a small Bluetooth speaker that you can pair with a tablet or smartphone. On the box, it does say something about accepting a 1080p signal, but this is not an HD projector. It is an 854 by 480 resolution projector, so it will take a 1080p signal, but it will downsize it to that 854 by 480. It does deliver a good picture. It has about 85 lumens, so it's a pretty bright little projector. You can project to around 50 to 60 inches from about 6 feet away. And the room doesn't have to be totally dark when you're showing a presentation, which is good. A couple of other small things worth mentioning. This does have a little manual focus control on it. It also has a USB out port, which allows you to charge your smartphone. This does have that built-in battery. So you can charge a device while you're using the projector. Ideally, of course, you'd have the projector plugged in while you're charging. A couple of things this projector doesn't have: there's no built-in memory or any sort of micro SD card slot. But all in all, a pretty solid little projector. It does cost $300. That may be a little bit expensive for folks now, but these pico projectors have come a long way since what we saw a few years ago. You should also check out Roku's streaming projector, which is also at this $300 price point, which allows you to stream Roku services right from the projector. I'm David Carnoy, and that's the Brookstone HDMI Pocket Projector. Thanks for watching.